I love the sparkly. Okay. See him?
Yes, I can see them. Let's start.
More.
Happy 4th of July, Stephanie. Nah, you guys gotta say something.
We love you, sweetheart.
We love you so much. I miss you.
Call us.
Call us. Yeah.
Call me.
Oh my God, mess.
Oh, look at that one. That's so pretty. That one was nice.
Ow. Hey, Mom, can I tell you when this is over, test it under see what you.
No, you have to go back in your car seat. We're down the road from our house. No, you have to. You have to, or we'll get in trouble. Watch. Here's more. Just keep watching, because then we're done. That's boring.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah. Oh, that one's kind of cool. There's no coming, right?
Still.
What?
Yes, it's gonna hit us.
No, it isn't.
I know. I just
Watch. Oh, I love that one. That's my favorite. I like this one. Alright, well I do, but those are fake.
Are they for daddy?
Whatever. Yeah, no. Watch. You watch it. Okay, quit moving, because I'm going to fall. You're knocking me over, my back's killing me.
Yes.
Oh, here we go.